ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ಧಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರುಳು ಸೇರಿದವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರೊಳು ಸೇರಿದವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರೊಳು ಸೇರಿದವ ಸುರರೊಳು ಸೇರಿದವ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಘಳರದೆಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಘಳರದೆಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠ ಕೋಡಿದವ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠ ಕೋಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ ಕಾಮಹರಣ ಸತಿಯು ಸದಾ ಕಾಮಹರಣ ಸತಿಯು ಸದಾ ನೇಮದಿಂದ ಭಜಿಸು ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ. ಗಿರಿಜೆ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ ಪರಮ ಮಂಗಳೆಯಾದಳು. ಗಿರಿಜೆ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ ಪರಮ ಮಂಗಳೆಯಾದಳು. ಗಿರಿಜೆ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ ಪರಮ ಮಂಗಳೆಯಾದಳು. ವರದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ವಿಠಲ ನಾಮ. ವರದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ವಿಠಲ ನಾಮ. ದುರಿತ ಕಾಲದ ಬಾಂಧವ, ದುರಿತ ಕಾಲದ ಬಾಂಧವ, ದುರಿತ ಕಾಲದ ಬಾಂಧವ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ. ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ. Some childhood memories stay with us forever, and some of them even show us and lead us along our adult life as also. Namaste one and all. Thank you Prapti Events, thank you Devarajan for providing me with this opportunity to share my childhood experiences, some of them which have built me, brought me and made me what I am today in the music field. Joining me on this journey today we have Pavan Sughosh on the violin, Devarajan on the mridangam and Sanjit Jaydev Mohan on the tambura. I am Shruti Anand and I welcome you to join us on this journey. As a child, I remember in Bangalore, we used to attend at least 3 concerts in a month. And this is not the concert season that I'm talking about, where we had concerts every day to attend. And even in those days, Bangalore had beautiful auditoriums, open air or otherwise, naturally air conditioned. And all the stalwarts would come and sing for a minimum of anywhere between 3 and 4 hours. And there used to be elaborate concerts, all stalwarts on stage. And along with the music, it was a sight to see. It was something it was stardom in front of you. Today, I'd like to share with you 4 compositions, all Dasa Sahitya, sung by 4 people who have touched my music life in a very special way. And 3 out of the 4 of them comprise of the female trinity of music, namely M.L. Vasantakumari Amma, M.S. Subbulakshmi Amma and D.K. Pattamal Amma. The 4th person is Maharajapuram Santanam sir. There are very many more people from the yesteryears and today's music world who continue to inspire me, but I just chose these 4 as these are very close to my heart. Tamburi Meetidava Bhavabdi Datidava is a fairly popular Ugaboga, which in today's world we listen to very often by many artists in the raga Sindhu Bhairavi set to a rhythmic scale. Being an Ugaboga or a Viruttam in the Tamil language, as most people would understand, this composition, these 4 or 5 lines, used to be sung by MLV Amma as just a standalone piece, many a times. In one particular concert, I remember MLV Amma singing this in Tilang, Hamsanandi, following it by Darbari Kannada, and then continuing to present Gopala Dasa's composition, Ramanama Bhajisidavage Unte Bhavada Bandhana. Of course, there was another shlokam which she would popularly sing before this composition, Mata Ramo, Bhrata Ramo. But this was something I remember listening to as a young child. And what appealed to me was the link that she could bring with the Uga Boga in Kannada and the composition. Both talked about Bhava Bandhana, that is the attachment to this life, to this samsara, and how it will give us peace by just strumming on the tambura or just chanting Ramanamam. The bhava and the meaning of the song would just flow out profusely when MLV Amma sang. Of course, it was the choice of the ragams, but it was also the inimitable style of rendition and singing by MLV Amma. This is the power of music. Even as a child, I was impressed. And now it gives an entirely different meaning, a different aura when I even just listen to it or even when I just think of the song. It was always a learning for me when I listened to these concerts. For example, the choice of an Uga Boga or a Vrittam before singing another composition. How not only the ragam has to match, but also the meaning. Somewhere along the line, you have to be able to draw a parallel. Somewhere it has to touch your heart. Somewhere you have to make an impact on the audience, both in terms of the meaning, bhava, ragam, all encompassing. I think MLV Amma did it with a lot of elan and a lot of ease. We are all still learning. At another instance, I heard D.K. Pattamal Amma singing one of the compositions of Purandara Dasar, which has a unique theme. The composition is on Lord Shiva and his father-in-law, Giriraja. What appealed to me about this composition was how the theme changed from pure sarcasm to one of a beautiful picturization which one could imagine of Lord Shiva. It goes to show the deep understanding of our mythology, so to say, our history by Purandara Dasar, that he could put together all of these things, and of course his poetic prowess. So in this song, which is a Purandara Dasar's composition in Karnataka Devagandhari Ragam, Aditalam, Dasar says, "Look what kind of a husband you've got for your daughter, Giriraja. Wow, so nice. Look where he lives, where there are lifeless beings around you. You don't have a single little bit of money also with you. You go begging for alms. This is the kind of son-in-law you've got." And then he goes on to describe Lord Shiva as Nandivahana, Neelakantha, Nirguna, formless person. So this entire theme impacted me, saying, wow, it's such a beautiful thing to, yes, you're so close to the Lord where you can even scold him at the same time and then say, you know, I still respect you. You're beautiful. So this is Karnataka Devagandhari, or Abheri in today's world, set to Aditalam. ಎಂತ ಚೆಲುವಗೆ ಮಗಳನು ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಗಿರಿರಾಜನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಎಂತ ಎಂತ ಚೆಲುವಗೆ ಮಗಳನು ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಗಿರಿರಾಜನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಎಂತ ಚೆಲುವಗೆ ಮಗಳನು ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಗಿರಿರಾಜನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಎಂತ ಚೆಲುವಗೆ ಮಗಳನು ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಗಿರಿರಾಜನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಕಂದುಹರ ಶಿವ ಕಂದುಹರ ಶಿವ ಚೆಲುವನೆನ್ನುತ್ತ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಕಂದುಹರ ಶಿವ ಚೆಲುವನೆನ್ನುತ್ತ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಕಂದುಹರ ಶಿವ ಚೆಲುವನೆನ್ನುತ್ತ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಎಂತ ಚೆಲುವಗೆ ಮಗಳನು ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಗಿರಿರಾಜನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಮನೆಯೆಂಬುವುದು ಸ್ಮಶಾನವು ನೋಡೆ ಗಜ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರವಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಮನೆಯೆಂಬುವುದು ಸ್ಮಶಾನವು ನೋಡೆ ಗಜ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರವಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಮನೆಯೆಂಬುವುದು ಸ್ಮಶಾನವು ನೋಡೆ ಗಜ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರವಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಹಣವೊಂದಾದರೂ ಕೈಯೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕಪ್ಪರವನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಹಣವೊಂದಾದರೂ ಕೈಯೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕಪ್ಪರವನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ನೀಲಕಂಠನ ನಿರ್ಗುಣವ ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ನೀಲಕಂಠನ ನೀಲಕಂಠನ ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ನೀಲಕಂಠನ ನಿರ್ಗುಣವನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ನೀಲಕಂಠನ ನಿರ್ಗುಣವನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಮಣ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪೊಂದಿದವನ ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಮಣ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪೊಂದಿದವನ ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಎಂತ ಚೆಲುವಗೆ ಮಗಳನು ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಗಿರಿರಾಜನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಎಂತ ಚೆಲುವಗೆ ಮಗಳನು ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಗಿರಿರಾಜನು ನೋಡಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಅಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. Every time I listen to these songs or hum them or even think of them, I actually remember what I had seen in those days. Pattamadamma very simple lady, and singing with so much energy. At that age, this was probably one of her last few concerts that she had in Bangalore. Very beautiful memories. Moving on, another great stalwart. Short break from the female trinity. We will go to one song which Maharajapuram Santanam has rendered and has made very popular. It's again a Purandaradasar's composition, set to Ragamalika in 5 ragams. Composed in simple spoken Kannada, in this composition, Purandaradasar asks Mahalakshmi whose bride she would like to be. And do note that throughout he refers to her as in singular, Ekavachanam. That is the relationship that each of these composers felt with the Lord, God or Goddess, with the Almighty. Each time I hear this song, I sing this or listen to it, I feel I'm singing or listening to a part of Vishnu Sahasranamam. There are so many names of Vishnu that appear in this composition. It's not just names. The way it has been composed, it has different forms of Vishnu, not as his avatarams, but in his kshetras, how he appears as Rajagopala, as Purushottama, as Srinivasa, as Venkateshwara, as Udupi Krishna. So many more of them. And why this song is very close to me is because I can actually visualize each kshetra, each temple, whether I have visited it or whether I've seen it in pictures or just heard from people saying that this is how the temple is and this is how the Vigraham is. And I'm sure most of you can visualize Lord Vishnu in his form over there, waiting to be garlanded by Mahalakshmi. It's a very beautiful composition. I do hope all of you like it. That will be the third item for this program. क्षीराब्धिकन्निके श्री महालक्ष्मी, क्षीराब्धिकन्निके श्री महालक्ष्मी, क्षीराब्धिकन्निके श्री महालक्ष्मी, क्षीराब्धिकन्निके श्री महालक्ष्मी, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ನೀನು, ಕ್ಷೀರಾಬ್ಧಿಕನ್ನಿಕೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ. ಶರದಿ ಬಂಧನ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರಮೂರ್ತಿಗೋ, ಶರದಿ ಬಂಧನ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರಮೂರ್ತಿಗೋ, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಅನಂತ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭಗೋ, ಶರದಿ ಬಂಧನ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರಮೂರ್ತಿಗೋ, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಅನಂತ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭಗೋ, ಸರಸಿ ಜನಾಭ ಶ್ರೀ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೋ, ಸರಸಿ ಜನಾಭ ಶ್ರೀ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೋ, ಸರಸಿ ಜನಾಭ ಶ್ರೀ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೋ, ಉಭಯ ಕಾವೇರಿ ರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣದ ರಸಗೋ, ಉಭಯ ಕಾವೇರಿ ರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣದ ರಸಗೋ, ಉಭಯ ಕಾವೇರಿ ರಂಗ ಅರಸಗೋ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಚೆಲುವ ಮುರುತಿ ಬೇಲೂರ ಚೆನ್ನಿಗರಾಯನಿಗೋ ಮುರುತಿ ಬೇಲೂರ ಚೆನ್ನಿಗರಾಯನಿಗೋ ಗೆಳತಿ ಹೆಳೆ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಯಗೋ ಚೆಲುವ ಮುರುತಿ ಬೇಲೂರ ಚೆನ್ನಿಗರಾಯನಿಗೋ ಗೆಳತಿ ಹೆಳೆ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಯಗೋ ಇಳೆಯೋಳು ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ಬದರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋ ನಳಿನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಪೇಳಮ್ಮ ಬದರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋ ನಳಿನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಪೇಳಮ್ಮ ಬದರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋ ನಳಿನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಪೇಳಮ್ಮ ಬದರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ನೀನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ನೀನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಮಲಯ ಜಗಂಧವಿಂದು ಮಾಧವರಾಯನಿಗೋ ಮಲಯ ಜಗಂಧವಿಂದು ಮಾಧವರಾಯನಿಗೋ 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 ಮಲಯ ಜಗಂಧವಿಂದು ಮಾಧವರಾಯನಿಗೋ ಸುಲಭ ದೇವರು ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮಗೋ ಮಲಯ ಜಗಂಧವಿಂದು ಮಾಧವರಾಯನಿಗೋ ಸುಲಭ ದೇವರು ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮಗೋ ಫಲದಾಯಕ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಂಗಳದಾಯಕ ಗೋ ಫಲದಾಯಕ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಂಗಳದಾಯಕ ಗೋ ಫಲದಾಯಕ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಂಗಳದಾಯಕ ಗೋ ಮಂಗಳದಾಯಕ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಂಗಳದಾಯಕ ಗೋ ಗೆಳತಿ ನಾಚದೆ ಬೇಡು ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋ ಗೆಳತಿ ನಾಚದೆ ಬೇಡು ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಗೋ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ನೀನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ವಾಸವಾರ್ಚಿತ ಕಂಚಿ ವರದರಾಜನಿಗೋ ವಾಸವಾರ್ಚಿತ ಕಂಚಿ ವರದರಾಜನಿಗೋ ವರದರಾಜನಿಗೋ ಆ ಶ್ರೀಮುಷ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಿವರಾಹನಿಗೋ ವಾಸವಾರ್ಚಿತ ಕಂಚಿ ವರದರಾಜನಿಗೋ ಆ ಶ್ರೀಮುಷ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಿವರಾಹನಿಗೋ ಶೇಷಶಾಯಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣಗೋ ಶೇಷಶಾಯಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣಗೋ ಸಾಸಿರ ನಾಮದೊಡೆಯ ಅಳಗಿರೀಶಗೋ ಸಾಸಿರ ನಾಮದೊಡೆಯ ಅಳಗಿರೀಶಗೋ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ನೀನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಸಾರಂಗ ಪಾಣಿಗೋ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಸಾರಂಗ ಪಾಣಿಗೋ ವರಗಳ ನೀಡುವ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಸಾರಂಗ ಪಾಣಿಗೋ ವರಗಳ ನೀಡುವ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಸಾರಂಗ ಪಾಣಿಗೋ ವರಗಳ ನೀಡುವ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗೋ ಗುರುಕುಲಾಂತಕ ರಾಜ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗೋ ಗುರುಕುಲಾಂತಕ ರಾಜ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗೋ ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯ ಗೋ ಗುರುಕುಲಾಂತಕ ರಾಜ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗೋ ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯ ಗೋ ಕ್ಷೀರಾಭಿಕನ್ನಿಕೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಕ್ಷೀರಾಭಿಕನ್ನಿಕೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ನೀನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಧುವಾಗುವೆ Another small observation which has affected me in a positive way from the composition that was just presented. Two different lines from two different charanams. One is Cheluve nachade helu Shri Venkateshwarago, and the other one is Gelati hele Udupi Shri Krishna Rayana. The second one, which is Gelati hele Shri Udupi Shri Krishna Rayana. Gelati is friend. Hele is a very endearing way of telling someone Chollidi Madri. So that is what Purandaradasar tells Mahalakshmi, and that is the beauty. The other one is Nachade Hedu, without being shy, tell me whether you're going to be the bride of Venkateshwara. So this is the closeness that Purandaradasa displays between him and Mahalakshmi. I personally feel all of us, we have to have this kind of a relationship with the Almighty so that we can reach the heights that we want to, whether it is in achievements or whether it is spiritually. We need to have this closeness, this oneness with God. This is what has really impressed me in these lyrics. Of course, again, the rendition by Maharajapuram Santanam is something nobody can replicate. We are all just producing what we are able to so far. I will conclude with an evergreen composition rendered originally by the original evergreen queen of music, M.S. Subbulakshmi Amma. The mere thought of the words of this song brings a smile on my face. It is believed Purandaradasar composed this song at the Malur Ambegalu Krishna temple. Ambegalu Krishna is the crawling Krishna temple, which is near Channapatna. And he describes how Yashoda plays with Krishna, thinking he is her own son. And she plays with him, thinking of him as a son, as her child, not as the Lord of the universe. And there is one particular stanza which says, "He is smaller than an atom. He is bigger than the universe. He is immeasurable." And with that person, Yashoda plays. This is another song which you can actually visualize. And in fact, you can visualize all the avatarams within Krishna Avataram. You can visualize all the naughty things that he did, all the games he played, everything within this one song. It's such an evergreen piece, Jagadodharana. Jagadodharana ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋಧ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ 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 ಆಡಿಸಿದಳು ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೋತ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೋತ ಜಗದ ಉದ್ಧಾರನ ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೋತ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೋತ ಸುಗುಣಾಂತರಂಗನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋಧ ಸುಗುಣಾಂತರಂಗನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋಧ ಸುಗುಣಾಂತರಂಗನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋಧ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋಧ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ रोशना परवासुदेवना पुरंदर विठलना आडिसिदळे शोध पुरंदर विठलना आडिसिदळे शोध पुरंदर विठलना आडिसिदळे शोध पुरंदर विठलना आडिसिदळे शोध जगदोद्धारना आडिसिदळे शोध जगदोद्धारना आडिसिदಳು ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನಾ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳು ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನಾ This is such a popular kriti. As you could see, it was just flowing. The energy was flowing. Whether it was Pavan on the violin playing the exact same thing that I was planning to sing. He didn't even know what I'm going to sing. Or whether it was Deva on the mridangam. Exactly. So it is such a popular kriti. Sorry, Kirtanam. And my humble pranams to all the stalwarts that I have chosen to emulate today a little bit. These four compositions that I presented today, I feel a little inadequate to perform at a full-on kacheri because of the mood, because of the timing, the time limits, so many factors that come in. So again, I'd like to thank that this opportunity was given to me to present these four very dear to me compositions. There are many dasa compositions that I present in most of my concerts, but these are very, very special. Thank you again. So when I needed to choose these compositions for this concert, I did think, should I take those which I have sung mostly in my concerts, or those which are very often heard? Should I give the meaning of all the songs? Should I tell about the different ragams that the composition is being sung in? Because after all, these are all compositions which can be tuned to any ragam of our choice. And then I felt all that is secondary. Tatparya Sangeetam is only that which we need to present what is really dear to us, why it has influenced us, or how it has influenced us. With these childhood memories, I'm sure these are going to stay with me forever. There are many more, as I said, but these specifically bring me to another level of what I mentioned a few minutes ago, oneness with God. It truly is surreal when I'm singing these songs, whether it is on a stage or by myself at home at a practice session. The ambience that it creates with just the ragam, with just the tune, and of course the lyrics, is something entirely unimaginable, something that I probably am not able to express very well. But I'm hoping that I have delivered a little bit of that happiness to you today through this episode of Tatparya Sangeetam. Thank you very much. Namaste.